Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000 and the toll operator. Now, no, the NROC has not given the concession to collect toll on this highway to any company yet. And if you notice these signs close to the toll plaza, the name on the sign is covered. So what's happening is these toll roads make money, billions of dollars. So this section of the highway was built by the Jamaican government, not a foreign company. Other sections of the highway were built by a foreign company. They funded the project, and so they were given the concession to collect the toll to pay back for the building of the road. But the Jamaican government funded this project. Now, doesn't mean they literally took the money out of the budget. Maybe they took loans, but they funded this project, not a foreign company. So the concession to collect toll on this highway is going to be different from the other legs of the highway. Now, Trans-Jamaica Highway bought out the companies that built the other sections of the highway. So they collect toll on the other sections of this road, the east-west leg of Highway 2000, which includes the Portmore Toll Plaza. But this toll plaza that you have here, and I just want to show you guys something. There's not one sign here that says you don't have to pay toll. I've seen people come to this toll plaza and stop at the toll booth. There's not one sign that says no toll, proceed. Just pointing that out. Now, so this leg of the highway now, NROC could very easily collect the toll themselves rather than give the concession to another company. Or NROC could set up a subsidiary to collect the toll, and NROC would get a lot more money from the toll. The Jamaican government owns NROC, and the Jamaican government would get a lot more money from the toll. So they don't need to give the concession to another company, to Trans-Jamaica Highway, I should say, to collect the toll. So that is why there is so much discussion between NROC and Trans-Jamaica Highway the toll, and that's why no toll is being collected now, because they cannot come to an agreement. Now, Trans-Jamaica Highway, because they operate the other toll plazas, they have the first right or refusal. Basically, you have to discuss it with them, and if it doesn't work out, then you go to somebody else. But you have to go to them first, or they have the right over another company first. But at the rate it's going, I think NROC should just set up a subsidiary, collect the toll themselves, and manage this leg of the highway. They would collect a lot more money, because whatever the negotiations are with that other company, nothing has been finalized yet. So it doesn't. So guys, let me know what you think. Should NROC just manage this toll plaza themselves and collect the toll, or should they keep trying to work out an agreement with Trans-Jamaica Highway? Let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. And this is important because a toll road is going to be built from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth, from St. Elizabeth to Negril, and St. Elizabeth to Montego Bay. That's a lot of money in toll to be collected. So it's very important that how this one plays out, because it's going to affect the other highways, or the same issue might arise with the toll on the other sections of the highway. Alright guys, but for now, until the end of December, the NROC controls this toll plaza, this road, NROC, as no concession has been given out, and NROC took the decision not to charge toll on this road. So we'll wait and see what happens at the end of December. But as of now, it is NROC that's in charge of this road. And as I said earlier, I think they should just manage it, control the toll, and move on with life. The toll is going to be about 500, between 480 and 530, because the toll rate is set. It's known based on the kilometers of the road, or the toll per kilometer is set. It's a set rate. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. We are heading towards the Melrose Hill bypass now. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.